As you can see that I've opened this belt holder of Prius 2012, but problem I had that once I was not wearing the belt alarm was not there, which is now you can see it is there. There was a problem that internally the portion which was pushed by the belt was held down, which was continuously pushing belt in the on position. This is internal of this belt, electronic contact. But it works that it just goes down as I pushed with my thumb. As it goes down, the light goes off. As I leave that, light comes on. Once again I press that, light turns off. So it was continuously pressed because of the issue in this holder. It was continuously held somewhere. Now I pushed some WD-40 into it so that it may be a bit loose and easily movable. Now I install it. How I opened that is that I just opened the screw of 14 millimeter. It came out, and then I opened this, just press this area where it there was a electrical connection over here. In this area there was an electrical connection. This portion was inside this, and this this point was held in that hole of the holder, which I just pushed, and just pull this electrical connector outside. It came out. Then I say that how it functions. It functions by, you can see that this area, once belt is inside, it goes down. You can see it came down. I leave, it comes back. Once it is pressed, it means that belt is being borne by the passenger oblique driver. Once belt comes out, it has to come back, but it was actually stuck downside because of the holder. Now I'll fit into it. You can see that I have this portion. There's no one to hold this mobile, so I'm doing myself. I'll just try to show you people. Now what's the trick is, once you put it in, these two white one should go into this and this hole, and they should not go this side, because if they'll go this side, they'll be pressed from there, which will false this belt system, and it will go down without insertion of the belt. Now I'll try and show you all this, but since there is a cable is a very small length, now I'll try to hold this side and try to get these two on the upper side so that they should not go to the wrong direction. Let me see. It's a bit trickier because it's the right adjustment, and actually earlier this was probably
not inserted in the right direction, which made this. So you can see that I am able to put these two. It's very difficult to show you because if I'll move this, it will again come out. So once again I adjust the camera, so all things are in right direction. I'll insert it and it will click. Oops, it's clicked. So you can see that the holder is here. The white portions are on that side.
So since it's inserted, now we'll turn on its power button twice. So you can see that belt alarm is on, and once I'll put in the belt or hold the belt or wearing the belt, it will turn off. Actually, this was
Because of non proper fitting of this connection. Although this was connected, but it was fooled because it was without insertion of belt. It was in the down direction I showed you earlier. Thank you very much.